What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. Another update video. What's on the bench? What's going on? This is the most recently finished builds. I took all the stuff for the 4-in-1 and some leftover bits that I had and made two kits. I mean, a frame and an engine. That's all I needed. Just a frame and an engine. They were, okay. This one was it was a little bit wonky, and not the not the gem I was hoping it would become, but whatever. They were cool. Mostly just something to do while I was waiting for this stuff to be ready. This is that Rust-Oleum purple, that 2X, and man, that stuff, the ones with the color, the tint, the pigment, sometimes they can take ages to dry. Like, I picked this up, I don't know, a week ago maybe, and I could still feel it was a little tacky. So I started on those to keep it, keep me busy until that was ready to get going and put it together. And in the meantime, while I was doing that, I scored not one, but two of these sealed. The other one is not seen here, is actually still sealed on the outside, and this one is parts everywhere, problems, sealed back. So I'm gonna kind of monkey with this one a little bit. I had put a picture up. You fell right into my evil plan. I've got some ideas here. And since I have two of them, you know what? Why not? It's only plastic. So that's kind of where I'm at. Because I want to let this dry and harden just a little bit longer. It's got to cook a little more. I'm going to start fussing with this thing. Put these things out somewhere to go begin their dust collecting lifetimes. Get on there, everybody in the pool, and get them off the table so I can have room to do other stuff. I'll put links to the video of the builds of these. There wasn't a whole lot of beauty pictures when I was done, just because I was kind of over it. Surprised that one didn't wind up in the trash, to be totally honest. So that's about it. Just a quick update. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.